Hello everyone, in this video, I will demonstrate 3 essential tasks of a database administrator using PHP MyAdmin. These tasks include user management, database security, and backup and recovery using our database called CompanyDB. First, I will show user and privilege management by opening the User Accounts tab in PHP MyAdmin. I created 2 different user accounts. The first one is the admin user. This account is granted full privileges, which means it has complete control over the database. The second one is the staff user. This account has limited access. I only granted select, insert, and update privileges. I did not grant delete permission to prevent accidental or unauthorized data removal. To verify this, I logged in as the staff user and tried to delete a record. As you can see, an access denied error appears. This confirms that the access control is working correctly. Next, I will demonstrate the database security and data integrity by showing the table structure. The ID columns in the employees and department tables are set as primary keys to ensure that each record is unique. I also use a foreign key and the depth ID column to properly link employees to their departments. In addition, I applied not null and unique constraints in the email field to prevent empty and duplicate values. And for security best practices, I followed 3 important principles: the principle of least privilege,